students, this is Computer Lab Related Arts, and today we are going to talk about one of the programs we get on and practice our typing skills. We talk about how typing is a life skill. It's something that you're going to do all through school. You're going to use it in your adult careers one day, so learning how to type and type correctly is an important life skill that we practice and try to get better at school. So the program we like to use is typing.com. And I'll show you where we get on that at. We go to our school, go to student resources, scroll down a bit, and go to typing.com. Now on this first screen, you'll look at the top and you'll find the student login button. There's a teacher login and a student login. So you're going to click student login in blue. Now our login codes are our usernames and passwords that we use for the computer. So it's something you already know that you should be familiar with. So it's your computer username and password that you log in with. So once you're logged in, it will take you to your home screen. And we should all start in the beginner lessons and work our way through lesson by lesson, because it will start you out on the home row keys, the easier keys. It will talk to you about finger placement and posture and all those things that are important when you're learning how to type in the beginning. So you would start with whatever lesson at the top. Now I've done a few, so mine says restart, or I can continue on to my next lesson. So if you'll notice, each lesson has 12 screens that you'll type in each lesson, and if you complete all 12 screens, you'll earn a badge. And your badges are stored at the top under achievements. So often when you get ready to restart or start where you left off, resume, you'll click and a video may show up. Sometimes there's a short video that you can watch that will talk to you about some of those important things when you're learning to type. Right now at this age in 2nd through 5th grade, we're mostly focusing on technique. So I'm not worried about speed, and you shouldn't be either. You just try to learn the technique of where to place your fingers, find those bumps on F and J. They'll give you a little diagram of which finger you're going to be using for that screen, and it will type as you type, and it'll tell you which letter you're going to type. So you'll complete each of those screens, and like I said, it starts out easy and gets a little harder as it goes, but the beginner, it's important to do them in order, because they're set up to teach you the letters in order from the home row key, and then next would be the top row and then the bottom row. So just start in beginner, work your way down. We have some 5th graders that are already in intermediate and advanced. So this is one of those programs that's self-paced. You do it as you have time. You take your time, you try to learn the technique. And there's some other features we'll talk about on another day, but just at the top, lessons is where you'll find this screen. If you ever get off of this, just click lessons. It'll take you back to here. Tests are where you can take timed test. So maybe in the beginning, take a 1 minute or a 3 minute test and see what your words per minute are and see how well you do. And then after you've practiced for a couple of weeks, maybe take the test again and see if you've improved your typing skills. There are games that you can do we do this sometimes. If we've typed and worked hard all through class, then we might take 10 minutes at the end to play a typing game. It's a game-based way of learning the keyboard and memorizing where those keys are. So typing.com, like I said, log in. You should see your username over there on the side. You've already been grouped inside of your classroom, so you're all grouped together within your class. If you have any questions, just let me or your teacher know. And so have fun practicing your typing.